Click on the link below to get price. The Stellaire XE1 Embroidery machine is designed to cater to both novice and experienced crafters, providing a versatile platform for creating intricate embroidery projects. This machine stands out in the Brother line for its combination of user-friendly features and advanced technology, making it a compelling choice for those who wish to explore the world of embroidery. At first glance, the Stellaire XE1 showcases a sleek design that is both modern and functional. The machine's large touchscreen display is a notable feature, measuring 10.1 inches diagonally, which allows for easy navigation through various settings and designs. This intuitive interface is particularly helpful for users who may not be familiar with embroidery machines, as it provides clear visual instructions and a straightforward menu to access different functions. One of the key highlights of the Stellaire XE1 is its extensive library of built-in embroidery designs. The machine comes equipped with over 300 preloaded designs, including a variety of themes such as florals and geometric patterns. Additionally, the XE1 offers users the ability to import their own designs via USB, which can significantly expand the creative possibilities. This feature is especially appealing for individuals who wish to personalize their projects or incorporate custom artwork. The XE1 also boasts a generous embroidery area measuring 9.5 by 14 inches. This spacious work area accommodates larger designs and allows users to tackle ambitious projects without the need for frequent repositioning of the fabric. Furthermore, the machine includes an automatic needle threader, which simplifies the setup process and ensures a smooth sewing experience. Using the Stellaire XE1 is designed to be a seamless experience. The machine's advanced color projection feature enables users to view the design on their fabric in real time, helping to ensure accurate placement before stitching begins. Additionally, the built-in sewing functions, such as the automatic thread cutter, enhance efficiency and reduce the amount of manual work required, allowing users to focus on their creativity. In summary, the Stellaire XE1 embroidery machine offers a robust set of features that cater to a wide range of stitching and embroidery needs. With its user-friendly interface, extensive design library, and ample workspace, it presents an appealing option for crafters looking to enhance their embroidery skills. Whether you are new to sewing or have years of experience, the XE1 provides a platform for creativity and self-expression in every project.